This tutorial shows you how to turn on screen rotation and customize advanced auto rotate settings. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel. Next, swipe down again to expand the quick settings menu fully. Following that, look for the auto rotate icon, which looks like a phone with circular arrows around it. Now, tap on the auto rotate icon to enable automatic screen rotation. Moving forward, once enabled, your screen will automatically rotate when you turn your device sideways or upright. Afterwards, if you want to access more detailed rotation settings, open the Settings app. In addition to that, scroll down and tap on Display. Once there, you'll see the Auto Rotate Screen toggle at the top. Subsequently, enable this toggle if it's turned off to activate auto rotation system-wide. Moreover, some devices have additional rotation settings below this option. Afterwards, tap on Motion Smoothness or Advanced Settings to access more display options. Then, you can also find auto-rotate exceptions for specific apps. Within these settings, tap on Home Screen Rotation to enable auto-rotate specifically for your home screen. Alternatively, you can scroll down and look for rotation settings or screen rotation settings. Once there, you'll see options to customize which apps support rotation and which stay locked in portrait mode. Then, you can toggle individual app rotation permissions based on your preferences. Within this menu, some devices also offer Smart Rotation, which uses the front camera to detect your face orientation. Alternatively, if Smart Rotation is available, enable it for more intelligent screen rotation that responds to how you're holding the device. And that's it! If this auto rotate guide helped you customize your screen rotation settings, please like the video, subscribe for more Android customization tips, and hit the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.